Hey guys, this is Mirza with WTI, and I wanted to share a book that I continue to read, that I keep going back to, especially wanting to be an entrepreneur, my own boss, and not having that experience, not having the experience of knowing where to start or where to draw creativity. This book has been very inspiring. You know, it's very scary to put yourself out there because not everybody's gonna like what you put out there. A lot of people may not even agree with your product or whatever you're trying to do, but you will find people that actually appreciate your ideas or kind of connect with you. What I really enjoyed about this book, it showcases very easy kind of reeling in all those ideas. I'm the kind of person that has all these ideas and then I end up doing nothing. So I really like the fact where it helps me focus. Also, it lets me draw inspiration from maybe creators or entrepreneurs that I look up to. It helps me kind of focus in and realize what's more important of what I'm trying to create. So I've enjoyed very much this book, and I think it's very great for beginners like me. And this was my point of view.